Hey everyone, and let's welcome a whole new brand to my socials. So this collection is by Beveerti. I have this piece along with two others that I just wanted to show off um, for you all. So these are amazing pieces. One reason I really like them is they're unisex, so it works for both men and women, as well as teens. And they're really comfortable as well. Like, even just because obviously I had to iron them, I was touching them, feeling them like while I was getting it on, and I've got to say they're super comfortable, really good quality, and they fit really well. They're not too figure hugging and they're not too baggy either. So this is obviously the vest top. I'll be popping all the information below in terms of sizing, what it's called, and the web link. And I've literally just paired this with just a pair of shorts. But you can easily obviously wear this with a skirt. You could easily pair it up with shorts, jeans, however, and obviously layer with it as well. So you can add on a shirt on top or just leave it as is for like summer coming up, hopefully. But yeah, this is a really cool piece. I really like it. It's simple, but it works. It's nice enough to pair it with anything, to be fair. So this is the first piece, and on to the second. And the second piece is this awesome t-shirt. Once again, it's unisex, so there is no full shaping to it. It's just a lovely box kind of fit that you can do it however you want to do it. Like, I would wear this obviously as a t-shirt dress if I was lounging. I could easily tuck it into my shorts just to, hold on, just to give it a bit extra if I really wanted. You could easily wear this with a skirt, as I mentioned, obviously with jeans, and you can style this up anyhow. It's just lovely and simple, really good like quality. I really like the fit as well. Once again, not too fitted, not too baggy. It just works perfectly, and the length is really nice as well. It literally covers my tushy and it sort of sits like top thigh. So as I mentioned, I would literally wear this as a as a t-shirt dress, obviously paired with like tights and all different other types of hosiery as well during summer. But it's one, it just works. You can tuck it in, leave it out, play with it however you fancy. But yeah, I really do like this t-shirt. It's one of the nicer ones actually I own in my whole t-shirt collection. So yeah, so not a bad piece at all. I really like it. And on to the third and final. And this piece right here is my favorite. So if you don't know already, and most of you do know, I love pairing up like hoodies with leather skirts. They work so well and create such a like chic yet smart look. If that makes sense. Anyway, this is something I would totally rock to work, by the way, just because it works. And once again, so this is a crop hoodie with a really, I quite like the cutoff point on this, to be fair. It's one that doesn't look too tacky. It still looks really good. I've come across some that they look really bad and it looks like you've just done it at home yourself. But this, I love the straight cut off. It's even, it just looks great, and it's not too short either. Like, this probably hits about my belly button area, if not slightly a little bit lower. But obviously I think that's sort of height dependent, and if you do have a bigger bust as well, obviously take that into consideration. But sleeve length is great, it fits fully, but I quite like wearing mine like this just because it gives that bit more of a relaxed look. I love this part here just because it's not too restricting. Once again, it's like a box cut, so there is no sort of shaping to it. So it's one that works really well with like fitted bodycon skirts or dresses. Once again, it looks amazing with jeans. Obviously the really cool logo at the front. I picked this one because it looks a lot nicer. I love it on white. And a really good hood on it as well, obviously if you do wear hoods. It's one that doesn't sit up here like a weird thing. because I hate when it does that, but it actually like fully covers. So I do like that. And the great thing here is it is fleece lined. It's not too thick, and it's obviously not too thin. This is great because it isn't see-through at all. But yeah, I love the fleece lining because it's something that you can easily wear all year round. Maybe not summer, but easy wear all year round. And it just works. And I'm sure this comes in different colors as well. But I just really like it in the white. It's just that nice crisp white. It looks amazing. But yeah, it's just another great piece, really good quality, really well made. And I love everything about it. This company's pretty cool, I have to admit. I didn't know what to expect at first, but actually I really do like these pieces. I think they're great and they fit really well. They look really cool, simple but still really really nice. And like I said, it's literally gender neutral. Like it's completely unisex, so anybody can wear it. And you can even do like little matching couple pieces as well. That's something to think about actually. But yeah, otherwise, I really, really like these. All three pieces were really, really awesome. Yeah, and I'm actually looking forward to doing some more at some point.